Okay, so this is a reading just as a reinforcement, a little repetition from yesterday, but this is going to also be counted as a quiz, and all of the answers are within the reading. Okay, so Cold War quiz. After World War II, the United States entered into a different type of war called the Cold War. The Cold War was different from other wars in that it did not involve actual fighting. The Cold War was a game of espionage, which is spying, between the United States and the Soviet Union, as each side competed with the other for information, technology, and weaponry. So your first question is, why was the Cold War different from other wars? The Cold War was mostly between the superpowers of the United States and the Soviet Union. Each side had different ideologies. The United States practiced democracy and capitalism. The Soviet Union had opposite ideologies. It was led by a dictator and practiced communism. Communism is a political and economic system that seeks to eliminate social classes. Property and resources are not owned by individuals. So number 2, the Cold War was mostly between blank and blank. Number 3, highlight in the passage the ideology that seeks to eliminate social classes. And number 4, underline in the passage what communism seeks to accomplish. After World War II, these ideological differences created tension between the United States and the Soviet Union. The United States adopted a policy of containment. The United States saw the spread of communism as a threat to democratic and capitalist values around the globe. It wanted to stop these ideas from spreading. The United States wanted to arrange and provide financial assistance in a way that would prevent the spread of communism throughout Eastern Europe and regions surrounding the Soviet Union. Number 5, highlight the name of the policy that the United States adopted, the one that was trying to stop the spread of communism. Number 6, underline in the passage how the United States wanted to stop the spread of communism. So what was their plan? While the United States actively worked to stop the spread of communism, Soviet ideology spread into surrounding countries, particularly in Eastern Europe. Europe soon became divided between Western and Eastern Europe. The Western half favored democratic values. The boundary between the two regions became known as the Iron Curtain. So number 7, what is the name of the boundary between Eastern Europe and Western Europe? Okay, when you completed these questions, you can submit it to me. And again, it will count as a quiz. Double check all of your answers. Make sure you answer each question, highlighting and underlining in the passage, as well as filling in the blanks. All right, thanks guys and good luck.